This is how you can analyze Likert scale items using mediation analysis. So here we have these independent variables that can be copied and pasted here. So we click enter, then we can align indicators to the left, for instance. Then we have the DV, or the dependent variable items, that can be copied and then dragged and dropped here. So we still need the mediator variable, so we can just copy all the mediator indicators, drag and drop them here, click enter, and here they are. So we can click select so that I can adjust the model, make it appealing visually speaking, and then I can start drawing the connections. So I put the direct effect from the IV or the independent variable to the DV or the dependent variable. Again, connect the IV or the independent variable with the mediator, and then the mediator with the dependent variable. So here they are. I can go to calculate in case I want just to test the structural model. So I will just click calculate and bootstrapping. I can choose 5000, bootstraps, two-tailed, and sig value at 0.05, and then start calculation. And here are the coefficients along with the p-values. You can see that the p-values are 0.00, which means that there is a statistically significant impact of the IV on the DV, etc., and the mediator as well. So here the impact is 45, that is the IV on the DV, which is 45% positive impact. Then we have from the IV to the mediator we have 81, and from the mediator to the DV we have 41%. So all of these influences are positive influences. So this means that we have the model that is tested using mediation analysis, and here you can find further details about the mediation analysis results. See you soon.